Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we're going to complete the lesson number 2 of Nurani Qaida, inshallah. Okay, so let's start. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, do follow, do share it with everyone you know, because it's a sadqa jariyah for you and for me as well. So yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين. So this letter, do you recognize this one? The one which has one dot below it? Yes, it is ba. This is the shorter form of ba. Ba. Now this one is ba and the next one is what? Ain. Yes, Ain. Ain can be written in this way when it's between two letters. So ba, Ain, dal. Ba, Ain, dal. Ba, Ain, dal. Okay. Next is, this is the face of Ain. Now, what is this? It's like Ain. This is ta, and this is like Ain, but it has one dot above it. So it's what it is? It's Ghain. Yes, it's Ghain. Ain, Ghain. Okay, so it is ta, Ghain, dal. Ta, Ghain, dal. So this is the way to combine ta, ghain, dal. Ba, ain, dal. Ta, ghain, dal. Okay. Next is hamza alif. It's hamza above alif. Hamza alif. Hamza vav. Hamza vav. Hamza vav. Hamza ja. Hamza ja. Fa. It's fa. Fa has one dot above it. Now this is qaf. Qaf. Okay, we make a bulky sound. Qaf. Yes. Qaf. It comes from the throat. Qaf. Okay. So this is qaf. This is vav. Now we'll see how to combine these two letters. Qaf, vav. This is the way to combine qaf with other letters. It is the shorter form of qaf. Qaf, vav. Qaf, vav. Yes. Qaf, vav. Read with me. Fa, vav. Fa, vav. Fa, vav. Fa, vav. Now we will combine fa, qaf, lam. Fa. This is qaf. Fa, qaf, lam. Fa, qaf, lam. Fa, qaf, lam. Now in the next letter, they swiped the letters. Qaf. Qaf comes first, then qaf, and then comes fa. Fa, qaf, fa, lam. Qaf, fa, lam. Yes, read with me. Qaf, fa, lam. Now, do you know what letter is this which has two dots below it? Any guesses? Okay, yes, it is ya. Ya has two dots below it. Ya, fa. Ya, fa. Now it is meme. Meme. Meme can be written in this form and in this shorter form as well. Meme. It is also meme. Okay. Now we will see how to combine meme with other letters. So it is like ha meme. Now it is ha because it doesn't have any dot, and this is meme. This is lam meme. This one is lam, and the black one is meme. Lam meme. Lam meme. Ta meme. Ta meme. Okay, ta meme. Now we'll see how to write meme in between two letters. Ta meme. Ta meme. Ta. Now I want to tell you something maybe that confused you. So this one is ayn and this is meme. So how to differentiate between these two? Remember, the face of ayn will come, it is towards, it is upwards. I mean, the face of meme is downward, and the face of ayn will be, written in the upward form, like this. Ayn will be upward and meme will be downward, the downward direction. Its face will be in the downward direction. So this is the difference between these two. Alhamdulillah, today we have completed lesson number 2 of Nurani Qaida. Do subscribe, do share. Assalamu alaikum.